Hi, before I made videos of the automatic landing gear that I have, well, built and installed, programmed and so on, in the process of making this automatic retract system, I've ended up with something quite interesting, and I would like to share that. This is what I would call a modular approach to having fun and doing some aerial photography at the same time without having two different machines going at the same time. So let's Alright, so I've taken the screws off. Now with the help of the tripod I'm gonna try and just show you what happens there. That whole thing lifts off. I should have actually undone the battery plug before, and the little plug there, and basically that all comes right off, and you have the module there, and you have your still flyable quad there, only it does not have anything to carry, so you can fly it around, just have some fun without worrying about crashing it. We're gonna go into the dynamics of the... Now I'm just gonna tell you the components of this landing skids that we've got here. These landing skids got from Hobby King. They are for the Quantum quadrotor helicopter. They have been bolted directly onto a 330 size. This is the clone version, also from Hobby King, of the DJI 330. That's just the standard bottom mounting plate, no electronics or anything in there. That's just a carbon fiber plate, and there the holes bolted the retracts directly on there. Those are the two cables that come from the retracts onto the Y cable. That feeds through to the connectors over there of the automatic landing skid control system. The automatic landing skid control system is mounted there. That's that little green plate over there. Indication light is on the side there, that changes colors with the different modes. Then you've got the standard gimbal and camera onto that. This unit as it stands here can actually function completely by itself. Now to put everything back together again is also quick and easy. The way it's mounted on the quad is by those 4 studs. Either side you can see there's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Those line up with the holes in there. So you have the front of the quad to the front of the landing gear. Line up the holes and slide them in. Now once you've slid them in, make sure to secure it with the nuts or bolts or whatever you prefer to use. I've got wing nuts on here. They make the job very easy. Once all the wing nuts have been secured, all that's left is to plug in the cables. On this specific module I only have one cable that is fed to the distribution board for the battery. That's the full 3 or 4S power that plugs into that. That drives the gimbal board. I've got another small cable here that is made, it comes directly from a small PC, supplies the 5 volt for the control board, and you can either plug that in for just fully automatic. I also have a cable here that comes from the receiver, so that I can select the modes while I'm in air, open and close, or automatic. I have been basically just leaving it on the automatic because I find it is very stable, it's very good, and I don't have to worry about opening and closing the legs. I can concentrate on flying the quad. That's all set up. Now the last thing to do is just to plug in this little plug here, and that is for the gimbal control roll and pitch. Also not necessary if you're going to have a stable angle, but I like to control the angle in the air. That's about that for the module. That's for the well, different styles. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it interesting.